Hello and good evening. I'm CA Nidhi Bhaskar and I welcome you all to my channel. Yesterday, the ACCA June 2021 exam result got announced. The students are nervous because they are going to get their result. That makes sense, that's very obvious. But do you know how we as mentors feel? We are also sleepless the day before when we are expecting the result of our students. And I am also every time, every quarter in the same situation. But this time, for the first time, publicly, I would like to congratulate all my students who made my day very special yesterday. Not that it never happened before, but this time it was such a wonderful experience that out of 24 students sitting in the examination, 22 got passed. It was such a wonderful moment for me, such a wonderful moment that I just wanted to congratulate and thank them publicly. Thank you, thank you, thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Now I'll come to the next part. I had committed to go for more videos which you all requested me to do. I remember them. I am still committed to making those videos. But today something else is more urgent. Now, what's that? That's a simple case that not everybody passed yesterday. When someone was celebrating, someone couldn't make it. I just want to talk to them, just want to address them. Your one quarter not clearing the exam doesn't make you less worthy as compared to anyone else. Remember this point. Now, you will say, ma'am, it's very easy to say that. लेकिन जिस पे बीतती है उसी को ही समझ में आती है. I can simply say, what do you think? हम लोगों ने कभी failures नहीं देखे हैं. We have also seen that. And I can guarantee one thing here. Once you will qualify as an ACCA, nobody in the industry is going to ask you, why did you clear PM in 2 quarters? Why did you clear tax in 2 quarters? Nobody is interested in knowing that. For them, what matters is you complete a degree in a reasonable time. And with ACCA, the best part is if you lose one quarter, you have another quarter to give 2 papers together. जिसमें रह गए, वो तो already prepared है. Why not give it again with some other paper in the next attempt so that you do not lose on the time also? That's the best part with ACCA. So if yesterday was not a good day for you, don't get upset. Don't give up just like that. This phase comes with everyone. Each and every one of us have seen failures in our professional lives. But yes, it's now the time to introspect. Analyze what went wrong. There are 2-3 possibilities where you can just see what can be the major cause of concern. One, did you really practice the paper well? That means the study text as well as the exam kit. If you say no, then you have a very valid reason. Now you know why couldn't you make it. Now practice it. And for sure, September, it's going to be in your favor. I'll come to the second part. Now, if you say, yes, I prepared it well, I did all the exam kit questions, I did BPP, I did Kaplan, I did everything which I could do, but still couldn't pass. Then what could have gone wrong? I'll say then probably you need to understand the approach which the examiners want you to adopt. The approach of handling a question, the approach of writing answers, the approach of managing the paper in time. There are a number of things. So probably you need to work on that. Now, how do you work on that? Give sample mocks. Get it evaluated from someone else. Not me. Someone else can be any of your friends also. Now, how do you do that and what benefit is it going to give you? That's a very simple idea. When I am writing a sentence and I check it from the examiner's answer, obviously I'll feel हाँ मेरा भी मतलब यही था जो मैंने लिखा है और जो एग्जामिनर बोल रहा है बात एक ही है. Because in your mind you are perceiving your own sentences to be correct. Now let this portion and paper be read by someone else. Because sometimes what happens is not putting up a comma changes the meaning of the whole sentence. Now, if someone else is going to read it, obviously, he will not have the preconceived idea in his mind that what your brain must be thinking. वो अपने हिसाब से उसको evaluate करेगा. And then let him see if your answer is as per the expectations of the examiner or not. That is how you have to see if the approach which you are adopting is correct or not correct. I was surprised when some students called up and they said, "Ma'am, paper छूट गया." So that's a very simple problem with a very simple solution. Practice papers then. Practice writing papers, practice doing papers within the time limit. So what many students do is they do practice a number of questions, but they do not keep a time track on how long a question should ideally take. So that's the mistake. Improve there. Do not get nervous. Nobody fails forever, 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 forever. It doesn't happen in anybody's case. Neither it will happen in your case. So this quarter, if someone else is celebrating, next quarter, you will be celebrating. And yes, be brave enough to face failures also. It's not always appreciable that you keep on winning and you cannot ever handle a defeat. That's a part of your strength, your personality also, that how you handle failures. Corporate life will actually test this portion of your personality as well. Start preparing it. I don't mean that start failing now. But if that has by chance happened, don't lose your calm. Don't get nervous. Don't feel underconfident. You are still very valuable. Not clearing one paper in one quarter doesn't prove that you are not intelligent and others are more intelligent. No, not at all. You don't know what is going to happen with them in the next quarter. So any which ways, I'll still say, get back to your original strengths, be courageous enough and start studying. I hope my video was helpful for you. My next commitments are going to be there on what I said yes on the queries coming from the students. For sure, you can expect those videos shortly. Thank you so much. Take care and good luck.